Hello everybody, it's me Jones J here. The Raleigh-Durham area in North Carolina is also one of the fastest growing areas in the country. Like Charlotte, which I covered in my last video, the Raleigh-Durham area has also attracted a lot of people due to its warm weather, great job opportunities, and an overall low cost of living. Because of this, air travel to the area has also grown a lot. To keep up with demand, the Raleigh-Durham International Airport will be getting a major expansion and renovation project. This is RDU Airport's $4 billion expansion project. Before we begin, make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell on so you can stay up to date on the latest architecture projects and statistics. The region's first airport opened in 1929 as Raleigh's Municipal Airport. It was quickly outgrown, and in 1933, the North Carolina General Assembly chartered the Raleigh-Durham Aeronautical Authority to build and operate a larger airport between Raleigh and Durham. This was promoted by Eastern Airlines, led by the chairman Eddie Rickenbacker, who wanted to make RDU a stop in the airline's New York to Miami route. The new Raleigh-Durham Airport opened in May 1, 1943, with flights by Eastern Airlines. The passenger terminal was built from materials remaining after the construction of 4 barracks for the Army Air Force's Air Technical Service Command Airfield. After World War II, Capital Airlines and Piedmont Airlines later came to the airport in the 1940s, with United and Delta coming soon after. In the 1970s, the last decade before airline deregulation, the airport had 18 non-stop destinations. In 1985, American Airlines attempted to build a hub at RDU. However, this hub later closed in 1995 after it operated at a constant loss. RDU's post-hub years have brought the addition of new carriers and destinations, notably discount carriers such as Allegiant, Southwest, and Frontier. In addition, Raleigh-Durham Airport's Terminal 2 was reconstructed in 2008 to update and improve the facility. Thanks to the low-cost carriers and the influx of people to the area, RDU has seen massive growth in the number of annual passengers recently. Because of this, the airport is now looking to expand. Dubbed Vision 2040, this project aims to expand and improve RDU Airport by 2040. The project includes a consolidated rental car facility, an on-site hotel, expansion of parking lots, expansion of both terminals to add gates, improvements to the taxiway layout, and the complete rebuilding of the runways. Currently, Terminal 1 is exclusively used by Southwest and only contains 9 gates, and Terminal 2 is used by the rest of the carriers and contains 36 gates. In this expansion project, an additional 23 gates will open at both terminals to bring the total number of gates at the airport to 68. Here are some renderings of the expansion project. Overall, I think it looks really nice, and it'll definitely add plenty of capacity to keep up with the growing needs of the public. In conclusion, the Raleigh-Durham area is another fast-growing area in the state of North Carolina, thanks to its good job opportunities, warm weather, and overall low cost of living. Vision 2040 aims to expand and improve the Raleigh-Durham Airport to keep up with the growing needs of the public. Be sure to let me know what you think of RDU Airport's expansion plan down in the comments below. Do you like it or dislike it, and why? Thanks a lot for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.